I thought I had my shit figured out. I don't know if I can say shit, but I just said it twice.
Oh, I don't
Um,
care.
okay.
The
So
censors of YouTube might, but whatever.
yeah, I had this ego, like huge ego, right? I was like, I would think, hey, I was a head of sales, business development. I have, a master's degree in corporate strategy. Like I've got this. I've got my shit together. Funny enough, like my go-to strategy was like telling myself I need a website. I need a really good looking website. I need it slick. I need a funky .com domain name. I need a really cool branding, right? So like I need something that's kind of cool, and I need like these really rich looking business cards, right? So my go-to is all these vanity things that, after 2 months that I launched my business, didn't do a single thing for me or my business. I didn't have a single person basically go on my website and go on my contact us page. You know how we make it contact us, but it's only you, really. There's no team. Um, and yeah, so like after 2 or 3 months of launching my business, it was like a big wake up call. I was like, wow, I'm I'm living in Toronto, so I'm plowing through my savings here, trying to pay for my loft and everything, and I don't have anything to show for. So that was a big wake up call for me, for sure.